So today I'm going to be doing a review on a product that I've been using a little over a year, and this is actually my second tube of it. It's the Salon Selectives Instant Repair Leave-In Conditioner from the dollar store, and it looks like this. I was in the market for leave-in conditioner that did not leave my hair greasy, because I have thin, fine hair, and it tends to get greasy a lot easier than normal. And I was using the Aussie hair insurance leave-in conditioner for a good while, and it's the spray-in one, but I just felt like it wasn't really doing anything. Yeah, the smell is amazing, but other than that, it didn't really feel like it was doing anything for my hair. So I came across this in the dollar store, and I decided to give it a try. And the claims are it hydrates and shines. It's Brazilian keratin oil, and it says this unique, lightweight, sulfate-free formulation containing Brazilian keratin oil helps repair and soften hair, and it does. I only use maybe a dime-sized amount, and I honestly part my hair basically just like this, in half, because my hair got pretty long, as you can see. And what I do is I just take it, I rub it around in my hands, kind of like you would do a conditioner, like a regular conditioner in the shower, and I just go like this to my hair. Now, when my hair is wet, it does not look straight like this. It is knotty, and it's not good because bleach kind of destroyed my ends and stuff. But now whenever I bleach my hair, I just bleach my roots. But anyways, and then I work it through as well as I can, and I just put it through the ends, and I try not to go towards my roots because I don't want greasy hair. And then I just take a brush like this, and then I just brush it from the bottom. And I know you're not supposed to brush your hair while it's wet, but I've done it ever since I can remember, so that's just how I do it. And then I just work it in my hair, and it ends up just drying perfectly straight like this. And yeah, as you can see, it's still silky, and it's still shiny and smooth, even though it's dyed and processed and needs a nice trim. I just haven't had the chance to get it cut. But yeah, so I really love this product. Do I think it's for everyone? Maybe. I mean, it works for me. You get a pretty good amount. You get 4 fluid ounces, or 118 milliliters, and it's cruelty free, which is good. It's cruelty free, and I know a lot of products are trying to switch over. And it says it's sulfate free, which is also good. And yeah, I'm almost out of this, to be honest. I'm pretty sure that I'm probably maybe there. So you get a good amount, and like I said, this is my second tube of it, and it's just really amazing. Now I'm gonna backtrack a little, but like I said, I put a dime size amount in my palm, and I go like this, and I just rub it in. If I need more, I'll add a little bit at a time. It's kind of gunky right now, but it's just a white, consistency. Sorry, the lighting's kind of crappy. The lighting's very bright. Anyways, it looks like that. And then it feels lightweight. There is a scent. It's not horrible, and once my hair dries, I don't smell it. I just smell my conditioner, shampoo and conditioner that I use. So for $1, I would definitely recommend this. Again, it's the Salon Selectives Instant Repair Leave-In Conditioner, and you don't have to wash this out or anything. And yeah, so when you're at the Dollar Tree for whatever, definitely check into this. And they also do have a bottle well, tube or whatever, in a blue color, and it's for frizz. Now, I don't really experience frizz that often. Sometimes in the summer, if like the humidity is like super saturated, my hair will kind of get frizzy and nasty. But other than that, I really don't. But I would definitely recommend this. And for $1, and it does say that it's made in Canada, so do with that what you will. And I'll put in pictures of like the front of the bottle and the back just to show you the ingredients, just in case you're curious. So I did make a post on Instagram like forever ago. I will try to link that post down below if you guys want to see. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. I hope this was helpful, and have a good day.